Hello everyone and welcome to my review of the Buffalo LinkStation Pro Duo NAS hard drive. Now this particular model that I have here is an older model and is no longer available, but there is a new LinkStation similar to this one available on Buffalo's website. You can find a link to it in the video description. NAS stands for Network Attached Storage, meaning that you can connect this unit to your network or on your router, for an example. And that way everyone that are connected to that network can access the data on the drive. What makes this NAS drive special is that it comes in a RAID configuration. Basically, there are two 500GB hard drives inside this unit that are constantly backing each other up, meaning that the total storage capacity is 500GB, not 1TB. So when you put files on the drive, it will automatically copy that file to the other drive. So both of the 500GB drives are the exact clones of each other. So when one of the hard drive fails, the other one will keep your data safe until you replace the damaged drive. It supports both RAID 1 and RAID 0 configuration. The Buffalo LinkStation Pro Duo has its own built-in processor that can handle all the load, so you're not going to be pulling any processing power from any external equipment. So when you're using or adding the files to it, it will not slow anything down. Another thing to mention is it is compatible with PC and Macs. Included in the box was the drive itself, a setup disk, a quick setup guide, an Ethernet cable, a power cord, and 2-year warranty statement. Also note that the box is very friendly to the environment because the entire interior is fully recyclable cardboard. Taking a tour around the unit starting at the front is a reflective screen that houses the indicator lights and some ventilation holes. Both the sides and the top are completely blank. At the bottom are 4 small rubber feet, and at the back you have your power input, a function button, a fan exhaust hole, a USB connection for connecting external storage to the drive, such as a USB stick or an external hard drive, a switch that goes between on, off, and auto, your Ethernet local area network port, a second USB port, and finally a Kensington lock slot. Also note that the entire exterior is metal except for the front, which is plastic. What surprised me was the weight. It's a lot heavier than it looks like, and that is of course due to the both hard drives inside. I will not be going through technical specifications in this review, but you can check them out in the video description below. I think this is a really cool little unit. It seems a little complicated at first, so you might want to check out the quick start guide. I had it up and running on my network, streaming videos to 3 computers within 15 minutes from plugging it in. It's also really nice to know that the unit always keeps copies of your data in case if one of the hard drives fails, because it's not a question if the hard drive fails, it's a question of when the hard drive fails, and when it does, your data is gone. But with this unit, the second hard drive will keep all your data safe. You can of course disable the RAID configuration in the control panel and that way extend the storage up to 1TB, combining both the drives into one drive, but that will not back anything up. Overall, this is a really cool little device that does the job really well. I haven't experienced any negative aspects of it so far. It's very clean looking, very basic in most ways, and just sits there sharing the data over your network. So this was my review of the Buffalo LinkStation Pro Duo 1TB external network attached storage drive. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave one in the comment section. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more video reviews to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video review.